morning, students, and welcome to your English class.
Today we will learn about letter U. Letter U is the next letter after letter T, and its sound is A as up.
Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
In this picture, we can see some players playing cricket. An umpire is standing there. His finger is up to signal out. Umpire, up are friends of U. Do you know some more friends of U? Good job. Earn, umbrella, uniform, unicorn are some more friends of U. Children, we use umbrella to keep safe in the rain. Do you know what kind of fabric does the umbrella made of? Right, umbrella is made of waterproof fabric. It keeps us safe from rainwater. How many players are in the field? Can you count them? Good job. There are 3 players in the field. Let's learn to write letter U. It's very easy. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.